How can I view my smartphone screen on the TV? Press the Home button on the remote control. Press the Wheel button on the remote control to find Device Connector. Click Device Connector. Select Smartphone. Click Screen Share. Select Wireless, Miracast. Click Start. Select Mobile Device. Open Settings on your smartphone. Go to the Connectivity menu and select Share and Connect. Go to Miracast or Screen Mirroring. Turn on Miracast or Screen Mirroring. Select LG webOS TV from available devices. Now your smartphone screen is displayed on the TV.